Afrobeats and BRICS, can Nigeria level up with emerging giants? By working with BRICS countries, Nigeria can improve its trade relationships, attract foreign investment, and develop its infrastructure. Nigeria, the giant of Africa, has a booming economy and a growing middle class. The country is looking for ways to further accelerate its economic growth. One way to achieve this is by leveraging the BRICS nations Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These countries are all emerging economies with large and growing consumer markets. By strengthening its trade ties with BRICS countries, Nigeria can gain access to new markets for its goods and services. For example, Nigeria already has strong trade ties with India and China. These two countries are major importers of Nigerian oil. Nigeria can also look to expand its trade with other BRICS countries, such as Brazil and South Africa. These countries have large and growing populations, which represent a significant potential market for Nigerian goods. In addition to trade, BRICS countries can also be a source of foreign investment for Nigeria. BRICS countries are looking to invest in infrastructure projects in Africa. This is a much-needed source of funding for Nigeria, which faces a significant infrastructure deficit. By attracting investment from BRICS countries, Nigeria can improve its roads, bridges, and power grids. This will make it easier for businesses to operate and will create jobs for Nigerians. Nigeria can also learn from the experiences of BRICS countries in developing a green economy. BRICS countries are increasingly investing in renewable energy and other sustainable technologies. Nigeria can learn from these experiences and develop its own green economy. This will help Nigeria to reduce its reliance on fossil fuels and protect its environment. Overall, BRICS presents a significant opportunity for Nigeria to boost its economy. By increasing trade, attracting foreign investment, and learning from the experiences of BRICS countries, Nigeria can achieve sustainable economic growth. This will improve the lives of millions of Nigerians and help the country to take its rightful place as a major player on the world stage. The article highlights the potential benefits of Nigeria cooperating with BRICS countries. By working together, Nigeria and BRICS countries can achieve mutually beneficial economic growth. This will not only improve the lives of millions of people in Nigeria and BRICS countries, but it will also contribute to a more prosperous and stable global economy.